Welcome to this main video. This time we are going to take about Bluetooth antennas. My name is Juan Esteban Tena. I am a student and the system engineer faculty of the Pilot University of Colombia. With whom, although let's start. Bluetooth antennas. Introduction. When we talk about technology advance and technology evolution, a large field that covers this topic is the subject of communication or telecommunication. In this aspect, which in summary is being a way to interact with other people in the world which having to be their lifetime, but using intermediary some signal system and technologic artifacts that have used the possibility of using or messaging. In the presentation, we will talk about the antennas for Bluetooth network. Before starting, it is important to have a basic understanding of the key terms that while appear very frequent through the connect, level antennas such as Bluetooth antennas and the electromagnetic spectrum. What are your antennas? An antenna is a device designed to send or receive electromagnetic signals, whether in the form of radio waves, television signals, cell phone signals, or another type of wire signals. Importance of antennas. They are main reason why antennas are used, but the main reason today is because of the use method of signal transmission, which comparing to other methods becomes more complicated, while antennas do it in a user and more direct ways. A simple and clear example is the aircraft pilots of the need to tell to ATC person. Antenna parameter. In many antenna applications, the antennas are associated with some basic parameters, sometimes called antennas characteristics some of the features of the antennas are listed below. Radiance patterns, antenna polarization, radiance intensity, effective opening, gains and directivity, bandwidth, power gains and rarity, effective length, input impedance. Antennas properties. Antenna gain. The parameter that measures the degree of directivity of the radial pattern of an antenna is known as is a gain. The higher the gains of the antennas, the more efficacious the radial pattern will be. The antennas are designed to point the direction in the one's direction, power increasing in the discerning direction and discretion. Opening. This operating is also called the effective aperture of an antenna antivirally participants in the transmission and reception of electromagnetic waves. The power received by the antennas in a to a great area is collecting this a painted area of the antennas. Directivity and bandwidth. Antenna directivity is defined as the amount of concentrated energy radiant in a particular direction. This can be turned off as the ability of the antenna to direct its radiant power in particular direction. Polarization. The electromagnetic waves radiant with the antenna's head, vertical polarization and horizontal polarization. If the waves is vertically polarized, the E vector is vertical, which requires a vertical antenna. If the vector is horizontal, you need a horizontal antenna. The photogram is circular polarization is sometimes used, which is a combination of horizontal and vertical. Effective length. The effective length is antenna parameter that characterizes the efficiency of transmission and reception of electromagnetic waves. Effective lengths can be defined for transmit and receive antennas. The relationship between the EMT and the input of the receiver and the intensity of the electric phase produced by the antenna in scale, the effect length on the receiver. Polar diagram. The most important characteristic of an antenna is its radiant pattern or directivity. For a transmitting antenna, this is a grand showing the strength of the power-field radiation with the antenna in different angular direction. As shown in the graph below, charts can also be obtained in vertical and horizontal planes. They are also carrying vertical and horizontal charging respectively. Bluetooth. It is a wireless technology used to transfer data between devices over a short distance. It is widely used to connect mobile devices such as phones, earphones, speakers, keyboards, mics, and other electronic devices. Override Bluetooth is a popular and used wireless technology that has revolutionized the way electronic devices connect with each other. Electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum refers to the range of frequencies of electromagnetic waves, which include visible light, radiation waves, microwaves, X-rays, and gamma rays, among others. Each frequency in the electromagnetic spectrum became differently and is used in different applications in modern technology. Bluetooth antennas. Bluetooth antennas are the lower end of the electromagnetic spectrum in the those 2.4 GHz frequency band This band is shared by other wireless technology such as Wi-Fi and some remote control devices. Despite potential interference from other signals, the 2.4 GHz band is used for Bluetooth because it is free to use and does not require a license to use. Bluetooth antennas can be omnidirectional or directional. Omnidirectional antennas transmit and receive signal and in all direction, while directional antennas focus in a specific direction. Omnidirectional antennas are more common in Bluetooth technology to the natural of the wired communication use. Advantage of Bluetooth antennas. One of the advantages of Bluetooth technology is that its use allow power signal, which means the antennas can be small. This way, the technology ideal for portable devices such as mobile phones, earphones, and wireless speak. Additionally, Bluetooth antennas have a range of approximately 10 meters, making the ideal for use in close range environments. Conclusion: the antennas in the world of communications turns out to be an artifact of vital importance. Counting in depth topics such as Bluetooth, the electromagnetic spectrum waves networks, it is a very interesting and very important field for a system engineer. Covering the study between a rectangular and circular antenna such a patch is what showed that the two have very good results in the Bluetooth wave, but when compared the individually one for 2 and one for 4 on the 2.4 GHz frequency, rectangular antennas are more favored. Picture reference bibliographic. Reference bibliographic. Thank you so much.